Best 15 drinks to cleanse and save your kidney fast. Your kidneys are very essential for waste removal, detoxification, and general health maintenance. Toxins, dehydration, and bad food choices, however, can overwhelm them and cause problems. Including these natural, kidney-friendly beverages in your diet can help maintain the healthiest possible kidneys. The top 15 drinks to efficiently cleanse and improve kidney function are listed in this video. These revitalizing choices support detoxification while also keeping you hydrated and invigorated. Today, begin drinking your way to better kidney health. 15. Coconut water. Coconut water, a natural hydrator high in potassium, aids in the kidney's removal of excess sodium and pollutants, improving their filtration and overall health. Its diuretic qualities promote the production of urine, which helps eliminate waste and lowers the danger of kidney stones. Antioxidants found in coconut water also help fight oxidative stress, which can harm kidney cells. It is a nutritious choice to keep electrolyte balance, maintain hydration, and promote general kidney health because it is low in calories and sugar. Despite being usually healthy, those with chronic kidney disease or other kidney problems may not be able to use coconut water due to its high potassium concentration. Before including high potassium beverages like coconut water in one's diet, it is always advisable to speak with a healthcare professional, particularly if one already has kidney issues. 14. Cranberry juice. In general, cranberry juice is good for kidney health, but it's particularly good for preventing UTIs, which can spread to the kidneys if left untreated. It contains substances known as proanthocyanidins, which lower the risk of infection by preventing bacteria from sticking to the urinary system walls. Furthermore, the antioxidant qualities of cranberry juice aid in the kidney's fight against oxidative stress and inflammation. However, individuals with advanced kidney illness should watch their intake because of possible potassium levels, and those with kidney issues should choose unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid too much sugar. 13. Ginger tea. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, ginger tea is great for kidney health since it shields kidney cells from oxidative stress and toxin damage. Additionally, ginger promotes a healthy digestive system and lowers inflammation, which may lessen the risk of kidney stones and chronic kidney disease. It also has modest diuretic properties, which encourage the production of urine to eliminate waste and pollutants. Because ginger tea is naturally low in potassium, it's a safer option for people with kidney issues. 12. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea's diuretic qualities, which aid in increasing urine production and eliminating impurities, make it a potent natural kidney cleanser. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and K, it promotes kidney health by lowering oxidative stress and inflammation. By encouraging the removal of waste, dandelion tea may also help avoid kidney stones and aid in maintaining adequate hydration. 11. Beet juice. Because beet juice contains a lot of antioxidants, including betaine, which lowers inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, it is good for kidney health. By strengthening the kidney's capacity to filter out toxins, it also aids in detoxification. Beet juice can also lower blood pressure, which will eventually improve kidney function. Its high oxalate content, however, may raise the danger of kidney stones, particularly in those who are predisposed to them. It's also crucial to speak with a healthcare professional before consuming beet juice if you have renal issues. 10. Lemon water. Lemon water is great for kidney health because it lowers calcium buildup by raising urine citrate levels, which helps avoid kidney stones. Its inherent acidity helps the kidneys eliminate pollutants and break down tiny stones. Lemon water also encourages hydration, which is necessary for the best possible kidney function. Packed in antioxidants and vitamin C, it also lowers inflammation and boosts immunity. Those with advanced kidney disease should watch how much citrus they eat. 9. Celery juice. Because of its diuretic qualities, which aid in the removal of toxins and stop the accumulation of dangerous chemicals in the kidneys, celery juice is very good for kidney health. Packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant components, it shields kidney cells from inflammation and oxidative damage. Vital elements like potassium and salt, which support electrolyte balance and hydration and assist proper kidney function, are also present in celery juice. However, People with renal issues, particularly those following a low-potassium diet, should use celery juice sparingly. 8. Apple cider vinegar water. By balancing the pH levels of the body, preventing kidney stones, and encouraging detoxification, apple cider vinegar water can improve kidney health. Because of its alkalizing properties, it can lessen the acid load on the kidneys, reducing the pressure on these essential organs. Additionally, it has mild diuretic qualities that help flush out toxins and increase urine flow. Can also aid with digestion and hydration. However, before adding apple cider vinegar to your regimen, people with kidney issues or acid reflux should speak with a doctor because its acidity may cause discomfort or interfere with prescription drugs. 7. Turmeric tea. Because curcumin, the primary ingredient in turmeric tea, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, it is an effective beverage for kidney health. By lowering inflammation, curcumin shields the kidneys from oxidative stress and toxic damage. Additionally, by promoting detoxification and lowering the danger of kidney stones, turmeric may assist enhance kidney function. Its capacity to promote liver health and enhance circulation also enhances kidney health in general. 6. Nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf inherent diuretic qualities, which aid in increasing urine production and removing toxins from the kidneys. Nettle leaf tea is a good drink for kidney health. Vitamin C, iron, and magnesium are among the many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are abundant in it and enhance kidney function and general health. The anti-inflammatory qualities of nettle leaf tea also aid in lowering kidney inflammation and shielding kidney cells from harm. It may also help prevent kidney stones and promote urinary tract health. Nettle leaf tea may interact with some medications, so those on specific prescriptions, such as blood thinners, should speak with their doctor before consuming it. 5. Pomegranate juice. Because of its high antioxidant content, especially polyphenol, which help lower inflammation and shield kidney cells from oxidative damage, pomegranate juice is very good for kidney health. Additionally, the juice aids in detoxification by eliminating toxins, and it may enhance kidney function by encouraging improved filtration. Pomegranate juice has also been demonstrated to lower the incidence of kidney stones by preventing calcium oxalate crystals from forming. Additionally, it can aid in blood pressure regulation, which is crucial for kidney health. 4. Parsley juice. Parsley aids in increasing urine production and removing waste and toxins from the kidneys. Parsley juice is an effective natural treatment for kidney health. It supports renal function and general health since it is high in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and iron. Additionally, parsley promotes better kidney function by lowering inflammation and enhancing circulation. Additionally, by lowering oxidative stress and promoting the detoxification process, its high vitamin C content helps avoid kidney stones. 3. Cucumber juice. A delicious and hydrating drink, cucumber juice promotes hydration, which is necessary for the best possible kidney function and improves kidney health. Its high water content eases the strain on the kidneys and aids in the removal of toxins from the body. Additionally abundant in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant chemicals, cucumber juice aids in detoxifying and shields kidney cells from harm. Its modest diuretic action also promotes the production of urine, which aids in waste removal and kidney stone prevention. Cucumber juice is a kidney-friendly drink that is low in calories and high in vitamins. 2. Blueberry juice. Blueberry juice has a lot of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help lower oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. It's a great beverage for kidney health. These antioxidants shield kidney cells from the harm that free radicals and pollutants can do. Another well-known benefit of blueberries is their capacity to ward off urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can result in kidney infections if they are not treated. Blueberry juice also promotes cleansing and increases circulation, which benefits kidney function even more. Blueberry juice is a terrific complement to a kidney-healthy diet because it is low in sugar and high in nutrients. 1. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus also aids in increasing urine production and removing toxins from the kidneys. Hibiscus tea is a great option for kidney health. Hibiscus tea, which is high in antioxidants, especially flavonoids and anthocyanins, helps lower inflammation and oxidative stress. preventing damage to kidney cells. Additionally, it promotes normal blood pressure, which is essential for preserving the best possible kidney function. Additionally, by lowering calcium accumulation in the urinary tract, hibiscus tea can help avoid kidney stones. By including these 15 kidney-friendly drinks in your daily routine, you may boost general health, encourage cleansing, and greatly enhance kidney function. Each of these drinks has special advantages that aid in kidney cleansing and protection, ranging from hydrating choices to potent antioxidants. But it's important to keep in mind that moderation is crucial, particularly for people who already have kidney disease. Before making major dietary changes, especially if you are managing a medical condition, always get advice from your healthcare provider. You can take preventative measures for improved kidney health and general well-being by including these drinks on a regular basis in your diet. If you have learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and let us know your thought in the comment. Thanks for watching.